Hey guys, I'm super excited to see you make it this far. Congratulations and welcome to day 5, our final episode of our blogging crash course. Again, congratulations for making it this far. My name is Victor Aggor, and in this video, we're going to wrap it all up. All that we've done from episode 1 to episode 4. Today, we're going to wrap everything up, and then I'm going to share with you how you can use your blog to make income online. Even if you are a beginner or have no experience or you have no technical skills, be sure to stay tuned to the end of this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you some mistakes that I made beginning that I got paid dearly for it. So I'm going to share with you my mistakes so you can also avoid those mistakes as a beginner in the online marketing space. Owning a blog, I know you want to find a way of monetizing your blog, making an income out of your blog. And let me stress on this. Writing blog posts or having a successful blog is not an overnight thing. It's something that builds on day by day. So if you have a blog today, don't expect to be making income the next day. It takes time, and as you continue to build, as you continue to write blog posts, as you continue to publish new blog posts, without giving up, it will catch momentum at a point, and that's when the money starts raking in, right? Owning a blog is the first step to making income online, right? So once you have your blog set up, you need to find a product that you affiliate with. Okay, mostly I like to affiliate myself with product that I personally use, because in order to make income as an affiliate of a product, you need to be a product of the product. You need to own the product yourself. Use it. That's when you'll be able to recommend the product to someone. So for example, you can write a review about the product that you affiliate with. And then when someone comes to your blog to read that review and the person gets excited about the product, the person clicks the link in your blog and then the person goes to purchase the product and you get the commission. So that's how you can monetize your blog. Some time ago, I shared a blog post, or I published a blog post on my blog detailing my failure affiliate journey as an online marketer. In the beginning, I failed a couple of times. I failed a lot of times. So I detailed my failure journey on my blog so that new online marketers will read and avoid the mistakes and then cut their learning curve short. So I'm going to share with you what I shared on my blog post, the pointers and the mistakes that I made, so you can also avoid them. When I was starting as an online marketer or as a blogger, I saw a lot of videos on social media. I tried to seek for help from good affiliate marketers. They were all trying to sell their products. I didn't have much money by then, but I invested in some courses and some marketing tools, but I kept failing and failing and failing till I got burnt out. And the reason why I was failing was that I was not I was not getting the targeted things which I actually needed for my business. I was following shiny object. Anything that I hear it can help me make money online, I jump onto it. And that is the first mistake that a lot of beginners make, even up to now. So if you were able to stay focused and then know a shiny object when it comes to you and avoid them, the better for you. The shiny objects are going to come. A lot of people are going to pitch you online with different offers. But what is important is for you to stay focused and then target one thing at a time. I survived a lot of months, spent a whole lot of money, and at the end, I had zero results. I got burnt out. Everyone was selling their courses, but what they are failing to tell you is the truth of online marketing. What you need to get and where to get them from. So I continued to do a lot of research on Google and YouTube and came across this great mentor who helped to shape my focus, right? So in this video, I'm going to share with you my experiences and the knowledge I have gained going through the school of hard knocks. Okay, so you can also avoid them. Anybody who tells you you can start an online business without any initial investment is not telling you the truth. Even the time that you spend in writing blog posts is an investment that you are making into your business. And you will need some basic online marketing tools to create your funnels, to create your lists, to create your email campaigns. These are basic marketing funnels that you need for your business, and these are core tools that you need in order to succeed as an online marketer. Because mind you, you're not writing your blog posts or you're not owning your blog for just owning its sake. You're owning your blog in order to put out your ideas for the world to see and also monetize it, make some income out of your blog. So you need to get yourself some basic tools which will help you get to your goal. As a beginner, what you need to do is to try as much as you can to reduce your monthly costs on your marketing tools. If you have enough money, if you're not on a shoestring budget, spend those money on traffic. Don't spend those money on books, on courses, on traffic, on tools. Rather, spend that money on traffic because it's the traffic that is going to bring in that revenue that you're looking for. When I was starting out, I was buying a whole lot of marketing tools. Any marketing tool that any YouTuber recommends, I go and buy it. So I ended up wasting all of my money on marketing tools without getting anything in return. Because those tools that I was investing in were not the right tools. They were actually also not the tools necessary for my marketing journey. Okay. So I was having a tool that I use for creating my funnel, and I was having another tool that I use for building my list and then creating my email campaigns. And all these various tools I was paying monthly, and some other tools that I was also having which were not that relevant. So all these were increasing my monthly budget without bringing in any revenue. So in order to cut down my cost as a beginner with shoestring budgets, I looked and found a one-stop shop tool that could do all the essential things I needed in my marketing, such as creating my funnels, building my list, and scheduling my email sequences. Okay, so in actual fact, as an online beginner, these are the core tools that you need. Any extra tools is not necessary. You need a tool that will enable you to build your list, and then you need another tool that will also help you to create your funnel and then also schedule your email sequence. And there are separate softwares for all these tools, as I said earlier on. But if you're able to find one tool that does all this for you, it reduces your costs, and the better for you. You have a lot of money to run traffic to your blog. So which I suggest you do. So find a one-stop shop tool that have all this. If you need any tool, I can recommend one for you. You can contact me and I can recommend one for you, or I can recommend what I use, which is helping me in my marketing for you. Right? This will go a long way to reduce your monthly overhead costs as a beginner. Making money online through your blog can be really, really tough. And it leads a lot of people to wonder whether it's really reliable to make income online with your blog. I'm going to address 3 circumstances that commonly make people ask these questions and what you can do to avoid reaching that level of burnout yourself. Okay. The number one problem that a lot of online bloggers, beginners for that matter, get into is the get rich quick mindset or mentality. Building a successful blog is a pretty long, hard road, and there's nothing quick about it. Having a successful blog certainly isn't a way to get rich quick. And anybody who tells you start blogging tomorrow you get money will not, it's not telling you the truth. They rather take your money, recommend a course for you, and it will get you nowhere. To become a decent online blogger that can build profitable blogs, you will need to develop at least some basic understanding of the dynamics of how blog works, how to write high quality content, how to do your research into your niches and some keywords, how to write better email marketing content, and all that. You can absolutely begin earning whilst you are learning, okay, and begin making money before you have a thorough understanding of all of these topics that I've spoken about. But becoming a successful online blogger will ultimately require you gaining experience in all of the things that I've mentioned above, such as your email marketing, researching into your niche, knowing how keywords work, and building and writing quality blog posts. Okay. And this process, you cannot rush it. You need to take your time to go through it. It takes freaky time and can get overwhelming at a point in your journey. But in the end, it will be worth it. You have to keep focused on your goals. Why you started blogging in the first place. The goal, the focus has to be on the goal. Your goal should motivate you to get to the end. So the number two problem that I see also is people spreading themselves too thin. I see a lot of beginners doing so many things at the same time, and it mostly always end up badly. It can be really exciting when you are getting started. You are fired up and you are enthusiastic about learning, and so many ideas are coming into your mind that it's tough to choose which one to follow. In the end, you'll pick 3 to 5 ideas and build out multiple websites, build out multiple blogs, build up multiple blogs for different natures, and try to learn all at the same time. Do not do this. You are going to be overwhelmed enough building one blog for yourself, and coupled with learning different skills I've mentioned in problem one. Do yourself a big favor and pick the most promising, the one that you think you are excited about, the one that you think you can easily do without any much of a hassle, the one which excites you the most. And don't let yourself get distracted from it for at least 6 months. For at least 6 months, stay focused on one mission. Don't follow this advice. You are almost guaranteed to fail in this industry, unfortunately. It is better to build out one blog very well and then scale up from there. So when that first blog started getting traction and you're making decent income from that blog or from that niche, then you can now target a different niche and they can create another blog for that niche. But don't try to do all of them at the same time. You're going to get overwhelmed. Problem number 3 is giving up before giving it a real shot. I see a lot of new bloggers coming into the blogging industry, and then they try to blog for 1 month, 2 months, and then if they don't see any decent revenue coming in, they give up and then they abandon their mission, they abandon their goal. It takes several months to really get off the ground with blogging. And there are some of the toughest weeks that any blogger will face in their career as an online blogger. You will get to it. So just prepare yourself for those moments. You work hours, you work weeks producing 2 to 3 pieces of content, answering comments, emails, etc. But still, the site barely gets any traffic, or is not making much money as you would have wanted. At this point, a lot of people easily give up. Yes, I've gotten to this point before that I almost gave up. If I hadn't met the mentor that I talked about earlier. I regularly receive emails from people asking, I've been doing this for a long time now. Can you take a look at my site and tell me what I'm doing wrong? When I check their site, they have only been producing content for 3 to 5 weeks, and it takes 3 to 5 months of consistent content production before significant results can start trickling in. It really tests your patience, but you have to stick with it if you want to become successful in blogging. The major search engines take time to catch up and acknowledge your website as a high quality website or blog. But once they do, you can receive a flood of traffic, and much of the content you've already produced will begin to receive high rankings, as well as resulting in waterfall effect, where it will be very clear that you've broken through, right? So just stay focused, don't be in a rush. Keep your head down, keep moving forward, and keep pushing through the most overwhelming and frustrating stages. It's going to come. Everyone that becomes successful blogger online has done exactly that. And so can you if you want to join the higher ranks of successful online bloggers. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video and if you want to check out the all-in-one marketing tool that I use for my online marketing, I'm going to leave a link somewhere within this video. Just click on the link. It's going to take you to a page where you can sign up for 7-day free trial. No credit card or anything of that sort is required. Just try it for yourself. If it's something that you think can reduce your overhead cost every month, you can just pick it and then just run with it, right? If you like this video, just comment and hit the like button. It goes a long way to motivate me to bring you high quality videos such as this one. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified of my future content. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment box below or reach me on my blog or my email address. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in another one. Peace, I'm out.